Today, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 14. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 14. Chemicals can exist as dash. Chemicals can exist as dash. A. Solids, liquids, gases. B. Solids, liquids only. C. Gases and liquids only. And D. Liquids only. Now, what are chemicals? What are chemicals? Chemical simply refers to what? A substance. Any substance, anything that contains what? Anything at all that contains matter. Anything that contains matter is a chemical. Once that thing just contains matter, anything that contains matter is a chemical. And like we know, we say what? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is anything that has mass and occupy what? Space. And matter can exist in three forms. Matter exists in three forms, which are what? The solid, the liquid, and the gas form. Now our question says chemicals can exist as, and like we said, we say chemical is any substance or anything that contains matter. And since chemical contains matter and matter can exist in three forms, which is a solid, liquid, and gas, therefore we can say chemicals can exist as either what? As either solid or liquid or what? Or gases. So chemical can exist as either solid, liquid, or gases because what? Chemical contains what? Matter, and matter can exist as solid, liquid, and gases. So definitely chemicals can exist as solid, liquid, and gas. Now example of a solid chemical. Example of a solid chemical, you have your common salt like what? NaCl, your common salt, sodium chloride. Then example of chemicals which are liquid, like your acids. They are what? Liquid chemicals. Then gases, example of gases are like what? Your carbon 4 oxide, CO2. So all these are what? They are chemicals. So chemical is a substance that contains matter. So chemical can exist as either solid, liquid, or gases. So from this, A is our answer. A is our answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.